Alright guys, this will be the next speed test actually, and this time I got a special one for you because we are doing it with the Kuhl 25 2.5 inch quad. As you can see, it is very small, which is why the GPS is looking very big, and I'm very curious how fast it can go. Also, I brought this guy, just in case something goes wrong. He will be my beeper. Let's go. Let's go. Almost 120. And the other one? 100. So that's an average of 110 km/h. So we easily broke the 100 km/h mark, which is pretty insane for a 2.5 inch. We are running the RCinPower GTS 1202 with 11,500 kV, which is fairly fast. But we also just have some freestyle props on it, so there might actually be a little bit more to get out of it. The LiPo wasn't very happy about it, but otherwise it looked pretty good. Let's land and check the motor temperature. Curious about that. Maybe we do a little punch out before that. Whee! Nice. Okay, time to land now and see how bad it is. We actually trained the LiPo really quickly. Yeah, the motors absolutely don't care. The thing is that the quad is weighing about 20% more than without the GPS. This is like a full-size one, which adds about 20 grams. So I'm at 107 grams all-up weight, which is quite a lot for this small thing. Still, 110 km/h average and 18 km/h top speed. Pretty nice. Let's go for a second pack and see if we can top it. Time for round 2. I hope this will defeat the angle warning on takeoff. Maybe a little further out so I don't hit my face. Time to go. Okay, let's go. 117 and back. 110. That's more, that's like 105. I'm not good at math while I'm flying, but that's more than 100 km/h for sure. So we did 118, 117 and 105. So in the middle we have like 112 km/h, which is pretty good for some freestyle props. I think we just hit the top speed of the prop actually. Also flying at 45 degrees, pretty cool actually. I like it. Oh man, the LiPos don't like the full throttle. Maybe I put the output limit back on. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I say 112 km/h. Top speed for the Kuhl 25. Oh, nice. Also, I have to say, HDZero is looking good today. This is just the Lux cam. Look at it. Pretty good. Also, I switched the antenna from the crown to some piece of wire actually, and it's still pretty good. I like it. I broke the crown antenna on the last freestyle session where I crashed a lot. And it was hanging literally on just one thread. Okay, time to land. I think I have to practice landing actually. Oh, there you can see the top speed, 117 km/h. Let's go. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
Na los, gib's her. Leg's mal hin, leg's mal hin. Gib's mal her das Spiel. Ich werf nochmal. Ja, gib's mal her das Spiel. Ich werf's nochmal. Nice.